Hello Scrapbookers, this is Megan and I am back today with a kit share for the Scrapbooking Store, and this one is the February 2025 kit. As you can see, we are using the Echo Park Paper Company Telling Our Story kit. Not kit, sorry, collection. And so the way this kit club is they send us the main kit, which is going to be all of the papers and a sticker collection, usually is how they do it. And then the upgrade kit or the embellishment kit is going to be all of your embellishments and anything extra. And that usually includes 3 different pieces. Sometimes you will get an alpha, not all the time, but sometimes you will. So first I will share the papers, and I just want to start out by saying I absolutely love the colors of this kit. I'm so excited about it. Also, I am a themed scrapbooker, and I think for the last long time we've been doing in the month of February heart or love kits, stuff like that. So I'm super duper excited that this February we are not doing the lovey-dovey theme, even though, that's always a good theme. But this is something new, and I'm super excited about it. So, yay! Okay, so the collection is called Telling Our Story. And this first paper is super duper cute and pretty flowers. And then on the back, there are little clusters of flowers. So that is really cute. Then we have this 3x4 paper. So it's got a bunch of different 3x4s on it. And then cute, pretty green with hearts on it. Then we have this, I was going to say cute, but I've already said cute 2 or 3 times. We have this sweet little paper with typewriters. Oh my goodness, I could not think of what they were called. And then this pretty pink polka dot. I love that. Definitely going to use that side. Then we have this nice ledger paper. Ooh, and I really love a good stripe. Okay, then we have 4x4s and a pretty cute little heart paper. My goodness, words. They are super hard. It is a Friday night and my brain is apparently gone. So then we have some pretty flowers again. I love florals. Ooh, and that's a nice dark green scallopy type of paper. That's really pretty. And then we have a bunch of frames with some flowers mixed in. That's cute. Ooh, I really like that. That is definitely going to be a background paper. I'm just calling it now. Then we have 4x6. Some nice 4x6 cards and some pencils. That's really cute. And then a nice yellow flower. Ooh, and a good plaid. I love me a good plaid. Then some cameras. Oh, that is a pretty blue color. And then we have a mix of different card sizes. These are always fun papers to use. And a pretty gingham on the back. Oh, I love this floral. This kit really has some really pretty colors. And then a sky blue. And then we have the sticker sheet. And this sticker sheet has a lot of typewriters and cameras, and always capture the story, write it down, pencils, just lots of fun, different capture the moment type themed stickers. So that's really fun. Okay, so I'm going to set this aside. And then I'm going to show you the 3 embellishment packs that we have. So first off, we have the Echo Park chipboard phrases from the same collection, telling our story. So that is really fun. Got a lot of different types of embellishments on there. Then we have titles and phrases from the same collection. And I don't know if you can see really well because of the glare, but you can kind of see a few of the different embellishments on there. And then last but not least, we have these little birdie handmade embellishments, and they are in gold. So those are a lot of fun. I think actually what I'm gonna do, I am gonna dump these out. Where am I gonna put them? Let's see. I need to go through and find all of my little scrapbooking containers, because this is not a normal one for me, but I'm going to use it anyway because it's right here by my desk. And I'm just going to put those in there. And then also we're going to put all of these I should do a scrapbooking ASMR video where I just unpackage and pull off all of these pieces. Would anybody watch that? I don't know. Maybe like do a TikTok, not a TikTok because TikTok's going out, maybe, who knows. Anyway, but do like a reel or something about it. That's a good idea. Sometimes I have good ideas. Oh, and there comes my unicorn from Despicable Me. And then we will stick that in there. And I think this one, I think I'm actually going to cut down each of these embellishments so then they are their own little piece. And that is it for this month's kit. If you would like to support me, I would love it if you would use my link down below and go buy your own kit. You can buy it by the month, or you can sign up for the kit club, and I do get a little commission, which is really helpful. I just got paid out for a commission, and that was awesome. That was really nice to have a little extra spending money. So make sure you check out all my links down below. I hope you guys are having a great month so far. Bye!